Hello heroes, welcome to the continually improving Stewie's kitchen. Now first off, enjoy this landscape view of my new fancy cooking show because Lockie had some stern words for me and he insisted that I do it this way. And while Lockie is a very nice and caring person, underneath that you just know you don't want to be on his bad side. So enjoy this new landscape view. Today we are going to be making some cornbread. This cornbread should actually be, hopefully, the fastest cook I've ever done. So let's see if I can pull that off. Now, everybody, let's grip it and rip it. So the first step you need to do is you need to put on your oven to 200 degrees Celsius and let that warm up. While that's warming up, you want to grab 120 grams of flour and put in a bowl. You then want 150 grams of cornmeal. I'm using yellow cornmeal here. You can use the white stuff, but the yellow is going to give you that iconic cornbread coloring. You then want 130 grams of sugar, six grams of salt, and 14 grams of baking powder. We're not using a yeast in this recipe, so the baking powder is what's going to make the cornbread rise and make it nice and fluffy. Wrong one. So quickly just mix all those dry ingredients together. So those dry ingredients have been mixed together. So what you want to do is create a small well in the center, and then you want to add in 75 grams of melted butter. Just as a note, when you are melting anything in the microwave, I recommend you do bursts of 10 to 20 seconds because really it's going to melt on a dime and you don't want your butter boiling. So on top of that, we want to add in 1 large egg. Not even need to mix it beforehand. You're just going to mix it as you stir it. And then finally, you want 244 grams of milk. I'm using soy milk here, so you can use soy milk, you can use dairy milk. You could even use oat milk if you want, just that'll give it a different flavor profile. So pour that in. And give it another mix. Your mixed cornbread batter should look something like this. And what you want to do now is just, we'll start with this, pour all this batter into a greased baking tin. Okay. So, with it in the baking tin, you should have something that looks like this. I just use a spatula to spread it all around. You could use just the back side of a spoon. And now, next part, it's really easy. We're going to put it in our preheated oven for between 20 and 25 minutes. You're going to know this is done when the top is nice and golden and you can get like a toothpick or a skewer and just put it into the center of it. Pull it out and it comes out clean. No bits of the batter sticking to the skewer. So let's do that now. And I'll catch you all in 20 to 25 minutes for the finished product. All right, see you guys soon, guys. Bye. And there you have it. The completely delicious cornbread. So give it a little bit of time to cool before you cut into it, as usual. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video and I'll catch you next time. Bye.